See the condition of my car, it is very bad at present. You can see the windshield broken. I'm planning to use this windshield as long as it lasts. Let's see what happens, how long it lasts. It is broken very badly. And see my interiors. I'm planning to replace this seat cover. Then this part also is gone. I've tied using a small rope. Condition of my car is very bad at present. See, it is very dirty. It's been 1 year. I have not washed my car. I'm just using it. See how dirty it is. Really dirty. Music system is working fine. Everything is fine. Just the point is my car is dirty. And I'm also having one problem here. Whenever it rains, water enters through this part. I don't know what's wrong. Actually, the door is bent or something. I don't know. Water enters through here. So you can see the droplet here, small water droplet here. This is the droplet. Whenever it rains very heavily, it enters from here. It falls straight here. See, this also is wet at present. So I don't know how to fix this. If you guys have any suggestion, you can write down on the comment section below. And see, the interior of the car is very dirty. This was like white in color before. After 3 years, it has become black. See, even the dust here is black. So I think it will take time to clean all this. We'll have to take the car to good service centers. Even here, see, is very dirty, full of dirt. Here also is dirt. The whole car is dirty actually. Here also is very dirty. But the main problem out here is the screen, the windshield, broken windshield. If it goes off in some days, then it will be a problem. I'll have to fix this as soon as possible. And see the back side of the car. Back side of the car also is dirty. All the floor mats and all, everything is dirty. It's been long time. It's been nearly 1 year. I've not washed my car. I'm using this shampoo to clean my windshield. Actually, the water in the tank is mixed with this shampoo. I'm just using this shampoo to clean my windshield. I'll just show you. When you add shampoo to the water, it becomes a bit slippery. See, it goes smoothly actually. Otherwise, without water, sometimes it becomes a bit rough. It's better to add shampoo or whatever you like, but I prefer shampoo. It's very cheap. So what are the things to be fixed in my car? First of all, I have to fix this water leakage. During like rainy season, it becomes very problematic because water leakage is too much whenever the rain is heavy. I think there's a gap between the door and the body. See, you can see the gap here. I think it's not clear here, but water flows like anything. I don't know what's the solution. I think I'll have to change the door, or I'll have to fix the bend in the door. The door is a bit bent. I don't know why. And I'll have to replace this mat also. The mat is very dirty. Some wires are also hanging here. I have to fix that also. And vacuum is a must. I'll have to go for vacuum cleaning. See here, it's very dirty. And this mat also is almost spoiled only, so have to change this as soon as possible. And what more to show, the steering wheel cover also is not in good condition. We'll have to change this. And this mirror, left hand side mirror also is broken. I have not replaced this till now. It's been long time. So guys, if you can suggest anything to repair this glass, you can write down in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to know something knowledgeable from you guys. See, this is broken very badly. Actually, I don't know what happened. I keep my car on the roadside only, and like, I don't know who did this. Might be some miscreants, so leave it, whatever. And see this part, just now I was telling you, this hood was so clean before. It was like this, it was white in color before. Now it has become dark, total dark now. It's full of black dust particles, totally dark now. And I think I have to wash this also. I don't know how to wash this. We'll have to take the car to some service centers, I guess, to wash this also. See this part, it is so black. Before it was like this, it was just white in color, and now it has turned black like hell. See, it is so black. I think you can see properly. It's full black. So this is the condition of my car after 3 years of using. This one I have not washed since I have bought this car. And as I said, it's been almost 1 year. I have not done any vacuum cleaning, washing of my car from inside. I used to wash outside. My whole car I used to wash from outside, but inside is very dirty, see. So I'm gonna wash this soon. I'll show you once I clean the car. And I'll have to replace this lock also. It won't cost much, I think. For the timing I'm using this rope. It looks very funny, but it's very helpful. Okay friends, so that's all for today. I'll update you soon when I wash my car. Bye bye.